Who owes who at the end of the trip? This sheet works it out. This sheet plans a whole trip. The budget, the day-by-day itinerary, and who owes whom at the end. Step 1. Set up the trip. You only ever type in the yellow cells. Category budgets, and the list of travelers, are set here too. Once, up front. On the right is the prep checklist. The readiness percentage follows your ticks. Step 2. 1 row per expense. Always fill in who paid, because that is what drives the split. The scorecards at the top added up the moment you finish typing. The red card counts categories already over budget. That is the thing you want to catch early. Step 3. The itinerary. 1 row per activity, plus the time of day. The last card tells you which days of the trip still have nothing planned. Step 4. Pick one date and see just that day. That day's plan is sorted by time of day, with what you spent and how far you went over plan. Step 5. Need to recheck something? Filter by category, by payer, or by date. The table below narrows to exactly the matching entries, largest first. You can stack the payer filter on top. Leave a cell on all, to drop that condition. This crosstab answers who paid for what. Read it across, or rate it down. And here is the part that earns its keep. The group bill split. Total spend is divided evenly. Whoever fronted more gets money back, whoever paid less tops up. Down to the exact amount. No more sitting around with a calculator on the last night. Scan the code for more templates.